How to create thumbnail for YouTube video in just 1 minute. You are listening right. I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we're gonna talk about that how to create thumbnails for your YouTube videos. First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe the channel for get more videos like this. Now let me know that how you can create thumbnails for your YouTube video. First of all, this is not a sponsored video. Let's begin the video. I gonna use my mobile phone for this, and 1 second, I remove charging from there. And now you can check it out. I am in on mobile, and you can open a chat gtp on web or app wherever you want to do. Now I am pasting a content that is create a landscape thumbnail for my YouTube video on 1 second. Why it's flickering a lot? Okay, now it's showing that create a landscape thumbnail for my YouTube video on how to make a viral shorts video. I am sending it, and it will start creating image, and voila, it's in front of you. 1 second, it's taking a little bit of time. Here's the thumbnail for your YouTube video. You can check it out. Oh my god, what it has been created. You can save it from over here. There is a save button and share button if you want to share it. That is a thumbnail. How to make go viral now. Oh my god, this is great. Now you can use it as a thumbnail because it's copyright free. I can ask it, a chat gtp, is this copyright free to use on YouTube? And it's saying that it is generated by Delhi, that's copyright free and safe to use on Instagram, YouTube or Instagram or wherever you want to do. So that's the way how you can easily generate any thumbnail using chat gpt, or that's the way you can use it. Like, share, subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Hope you understood in 1 minute that how to download or generate a thumbnail for your YouTube videos.